Example 9.3j. Let's see. Solve the following equations. Give your answer correct to three significant figures. And you see that here 2 to the power 2x plus 2 to the power x plus 2 and the minus 5 equals to 0. Here, most of them you need to let, for example, this one, you can let y equal to 2 to the power x. Then you ask, this one, what's this? This one can rewrite as 2 to the power x all together perfect square. Then how about this one? This one can be written as 2 to the power x times 2 square. That means 4x, not 4x, sorry. 4 and then times 2 to the power x. Okay, 2 to the power x. So you can break it like this and then afterward reform as quadratic equation. Okay, so this time when you write as this, okay, you can rewrite as 2x minus 2x plus 2 minus 5 equals to 0. Have a look. Reform it as y squared minus 4y minus 5 equals to 0. So you can factorize it as 1. Okay, that means y minus 5 plus 1, like this. And y equals to 5 or y equals to negative 1. Remember, you let y equals to 2 to the power x, 2 to the power x equals to 5, or 2 to the power x equals to negative 1, and then what is x? Okay, you can go on to do it. Now, I will do it directly. Have a look. See, this one I also write as this, and help me also help you to understand this question clearly. So this one as 2x and 2 to the power x and the perfect square minus 4 times 2 to the power x minus 5. Same as, so this time I can factorize it directly. So 2 to the power x minus 5, 2 to the power x plus 1. So 2 to the power x equals to 5, or 2 to the power x equals to negative 1. Do you remember exponential function not smaller than 0? So this part you need to reject it. Okay, so how to solve this? 5 cannot write as 2 to the power something, so we need to take log on both sides. Right, so as a result, x log 2 equals to log 5. Therefore, x equals to log 5 over log 2. So this one is 2.32. Correct to three significant figures. Okay? Good. Let's have a look at part B. Part B, 49 perfect square, not perfect square, 39 to the power x minus 12 times 7 to the power x, and then plus 35 equals to 0. This one, yeah, pay attention to this. That is the hint to help you to solve this question. So let's see. This one, 7 square can write as this, okay? 49 equals to 7 square. So this one, like this, minus 12, 7 to the power x plus 35 equals to 0. Here, 7 square and then all x, so 7 to the power 2x. This one can rewrite it as 7 to the power x and then all square, right? So let's see. So this one, seven to the power x all square minus 12 times 7x, 7 to the power x plus 35. So as a result, factorize now. This one can read it as y squared minus 12y plus 35 equals to 0. You can think it like this. So what's this? Y, right? Okay, 7 times 5 equals to 35. So 7 times 5. Minus 7, minus 5, so minus 12 at the end. 7x equals to 7, or 7 to the power x equals to 5. So here x equals to 1, very simple. How about this part? Both sides take log, yeah, correct. Both sides take log. So x log 7 equals to log 5. So x equals to log 5 over log 7, correct. Therefore, 0.827. Okay, this one correct too. 3 significant figures. Okay, very good. Goes to C. Okay, this one 3 times 3 to the power 2x plus 2 times 3 to the power x, then equals to 1. And you see that, this one, how to solve it? Equals to 1? Yeah, if you think it as quadratic equation, then you need to rewrite all to a sign, to left hand side, or equals to 0, correct. So here, let's see, 3. Remember this one? Can write as this, right? And then plus 2 to the power 3, 2 times 3 to the power x, and then minus 1 equals to 0, like this, right? Have a look. This one, is it 3y squared plus 2y minus 1 equals to 0? Yeah, you can think like this. So, can you factorize? 3y and y, correct. 3y and y, correct. Plus 1 here, minus 1 here. Okay, so 3 to the power x equals to 1 over 3, or 3 to the power x equals to 1. Negative 1, sorry. Yeah, again negative value, this time rejected. How about this one? Simple, right? 3 to the power x equals to 3 to the power negative 1. So x equals to negative 1. Okay, great. Part D. 3 to the power 2x plus 3 to the power x minus 3 equals to 0. How to solve this one? Again, write it. 3 to the power x all square plus 3 to the power x minus 3. You can think it. Okay, this time y squared plus y minus 3 equals to 0. And you found that this one cannot factorize, so you need to use quadratic formula. Yeah, so negative b plus or minus b squared minus 4ac, right, over 2a. So this one, 3 to the power x equals to negative 1 plus, yeah, here is 13 over 2. Or 3 to the power x equals to negative 1 minus square root 13 altogether over 2. This side is a negative value again, so we need to reject this part, only left hand side. Okay, both sides take log. Remember, it's better for you to write at least one step. Remember, both sides take log. Here, log 3, you keep it, and here is x. Okay, log this one. Just calculate 0.241. So correct to 3 significant figures. Okay? See? You can rewrite as quadratic equation, form of quadratic equation, then maybe some of them can factorize and solve it. Okay? Maybe some of them you need to use quadratic formula and keep on to solve it. Exponential function, this part, sometimes you need to take log on both sides and then continue to find the unknown x. Understand? Good.